Welcome everybody back to Autosport Designs. Today we have a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, 427, 425 horsepower. Let's go for a ride. All right, so here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Corvette 427. We're going to do a cold start and then we're going to take it for a little ride. This particular car has ownership history from day one. We have registrations, we have an original bill of sale. It's just a great original car. Super rare. Chevrolet built 28,000 Corvettes in 1966. 10,000 were coupes, and only 18% had a 427 engine in it. So here we go on a cold start. Great, almost 80 pounds of oil pressure. Here we go. We'll let her warm up a little bit, and then we'll take her through the gears. So the ability to putt around in a 427 is all due to the torque, so even when it's not warmed up, you can short shift it, low RPMs, the car will pull away from a stop. It happens to be fully serviced, ready to be used, so no issues on that side. All the gauges function, clock's working, so easy you can drive it with one hand if you wanted to. As we're going to get a little temperature in the car, and then we'll push it a little more. No crunching the gears. All the gears feel great, first through fourth. Clutch feels good. You can hear those side pipes roar. Still great oil pressure. All four gears. Suspension nice and tight. No squeaks or rattles. Great view looking out over the front of the car with the big humps on each side, the big raised hood. It's a great piece of Americana, as they say. Chevrolet is as American as apple pie. We'll turn on here, we'll get a little RPMs going. Open her up a little bit. Pulls about as best as you can be there. No hesitation. Do a little downshift and get her into the turns. Again, smooth as could be. Really well taken care of car through its entire life. Very well maintained. No squeaks. It's really unheard of in a Corvette. When you have a good one, you know it's a good one. Brakes straight. Do a little acceleration performance run here. Nothing like those side pipes singing. Our farm road here. We're going to run it through the gears again, take it all the way up to fourth. really hard to duplicate a car in this condition that runs and drives. The overall package, really, really good car. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please don't forget, leave any comments you'd like. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. And check out our other videos as well. We're posting at least once a week. And have a good day.